Hello to you all. Welcome to another segment with us here at Mathematics Resource Center. We are happy to have you. Today we'll be looking at sets and we're doing multiple choice questions from 2016 to 2018. All right, starting off with the first question here. It says, if P equal 2357, Q equal 236, and S equal 245, then P intersect Q intersect S equal, so the symbol right here stands for intersection, and intersection means what is common to all three sets. And looking at it, the number 2 is common to all three sets. Alright, and we don't see another number that's common to all three. Alright, so the intersection of P, Q, and S would be 2. Moving on. Which of the following set is defined by x is an element of integer, that is, -1 is less than or equal to x less than 3. From this question, the first thing that we want to establish is the first part. Where are we starting from? So they say -1 is less than or equal to x. That means -1 will be included in our set. Alright, so we know definitely that it won't be A, right? Because there's no -1 there, and it won't be B. So we know that either of those cannot be the answer. Now, the next part it says is that x is less than 3. So it's ranging from -1 to that number which is less than 3, which is 2. So we're looking for -1, 0, 1, 2, and that set is C. Good so far? Continuing. If the universal set U equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and H equals 3, 4, 6, then H complement, so that little thing beside the H right there, as you can see right there, is the complement. H complement equal, so complement means what is not inside the set. Alright, so in this set we're seeing 3, so 3 can't be, 3 is not a part of the complement set. So 3, 4, and 6. Taking out these, what's left? 1, 2, 5. So that is H complement, and that is D. If x and y are two finite sets such that the elements of x equal 9, the elements of x intersect y equal 4, and the elements of x union y equals 15, then the element in y is... Alright, so let's draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. First thing, we're going to draw two sets. So we're drawing two sets. And here this is x and this is y. Alright, the elements in x is 9, right? However, the intersection of x and y is 4. So we have 4 right there. Let's see if we use another color. Alright, so we have 4 right here, right? And then the elements of x is 9. So if we take 4 out of 9, we're left with 5 on this side. Good. And the union, all of this added up together, gives us of x and y. The union of x and y equals 15. So what can I add to 9 to get 15? Because everything equals 15. So what do I add here to get 15? That would be 6. Good. So then y is, so if over here is 6, then everything in y would be the 6 here plus the 4, which gives us 10. Good. Continuing. Item 12 refers to the following Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, the shaded area represents So we're looking at the shaded area. And when you look at this, everything is shaded except what is in P. So this shaded area represents P complement. So everything that is shaded is everything except what is inside of P. Alright? So that's it. Of a class of 32 students, 17 study music and 20 study art. What is the least possible number of students who study both music and art? Let's draw a Venn diagram again. Alright, so enjoying the Venn diagram. We have some students that study music, and we have some that study arts. Good? We know that there are some students that study both music and arts. We are not sure what the value is, so we put X in the intersection. Over here, for the music only aspect, it says 17 study music. So this part for music, persons who study music only, is going to be 17 minus X. Over here, over on this side here, for the arts only section, we know it's going to be 20 students that study arts, so it's going to be 20 minus X. Good? Now, we're going to create an equation in order to find our value for X, and that will tell us the least number of students that study both. Alright, so let's go. So it's going to be 17 minus X, so we're adding every aspect of the statement there together, minus X. And they say all of this is supposed to equal to 32. Good. So the minus X here and the plus X here cancel out each other. So we have 17 plus 20, which is 37 minus X equals 32. Good. Now we're solving for X. So we're going to subtract 37 from both sides. So we're left with 32. Negative X, and then we have 32 minus 37, so we have negative X equals negative 5. We divide both sides by negative 1 to make X, the coefficient of X positive, and we now have X equal 5. So the least number of students that study both music and art would be 5. Alright? Item 14 refers to the following Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, U equals students who play games. H equals students who play hockey. V equals students who play volleyball. The number of students in each set is indicated. How many students do not play volleyball? So, all of this aspect here is volleyball. Let's look at what's not volleyball. The 3 here and the 5 here. So the 5 plus the 3 would just give us 8. So do not play volleyball, 8. Good. Continuing. So we're at 2018 questions now. In which of the following Venn diagrams is the region A intersect B complement shaded? So we're looking for that Venn diagram where nothing is in B is shaded, nothing at all. So looking at this one to start with, all of B is shaded. Let me just highlight that one that I'm pointing at. This one to start with, all of B is shaded. Come over here. Yes, majority over here is not shaded, but this little part is shaded. Come down here. Looking at B, nothing at all in B is shaded. So that means that would be, so that means this would be my answer. If we were to look at this one here, D, some of B is shaded, not all, but some. Alright, so that could be your answer. Not our answer, not our answer, not our answer. We're looking for that one which nothing in B is shaded. So that's what B complement means. Alright? Moving on. If the universal set U equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you look at this question, what you realize, tell me. We did it already. Let's go. We did it here, 2016. Very same question here, 2018. So without even going through this question, if I've been practicing my past papers enough, I'd know that the answer is D. Good. Continuing. This question, 2018. Alright? Have you seen this question before? Let's go back. Where it is. It's right here, 2017. And if you have been following my channel, you would realize that a lot of these questions, we've been pointing out that these questions do repeat themselves. So it was on 2017 paper right here. And it's on 2018 paper. So we don't need to go through this. The answer is D. And that brings us to the end of our lesson. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.